have stopped trading. Well, for the year. So I'm taking about a 2 months break from trading. Why? This year, my trading was unprofitable. I have come to a conclusion. I have accepted it. That is just what it is for the year. I couldn't make profit this year. This was the year I promised myself I was going to make $100,000 from trading, but still I couldn't make profit this year. Instead, I lost money. I lost a lot of money to buying challenges, lost a lot of money funding live accounts and trading them. This year was not just a profitable year for me. Why did I quit trading 2 months to the end of the year? Because my brain is kind of clouded and I just need some time out of the chat, like a chat detox, to be able to get myself back, come back January and keep the energy going. I don't know if it's the best thing to do if you ask me, but I think it's going to help me because every time I took a little break from trading, I always came back clear and ready for the charts again. This whole week I have not traded. I've not even gone to the chart during my trading time, and it's been totally boring, like crazily boring. Anytime I'm doing anything, I'm always thinking about the chart. I feel like trading, but I'm going to control myself for the next 2 months. I'm not going to place a trade or not going to trade concerning real trading. Maybe I can take a demo trade or take a trade maybe for a promotional video, something like that. But real trading, I am not trading. And see, I used to listen to veteran traders make a statement. They say you can go a full year of trading without making profits. And every time I heard this thing, I sat and thought, I'm like, what the hell? Like, why would somebody go a full year, a profitable trader go a full year without being profitable? And I'm experiencing it firsthand right now. I started being profitable 2023 September or October. The whole of 2024, I was a very profitable trader. I passed a lot of account. I passed a 100k account, made profit on it. Just that they didn't pay me out. The first 3 months of the year 2025, this year we're sitting in right now, was totally profitable. I withdrew from my profit account an average of $500 per month, and I documented everything online. If you check for the videos, you're going to see them. But from April up until now, no profits. I just couldn't come up with profit. Tweaked my trading rules a little bit, still couldn't come up with profit. So I've left it. I'm going to come back next year and I'm going to see how it goes. Remember, if you need to take a break, take a break. But quitting is not an option. I will still come back here again and tell you the same statement again. Quitting is not an option. Now, content-wise, I'm still making content. Never to stop making content, of course. Imagine just stopping everything and staying without doing anything. It's going to be trash. So I'm still making my content, but I'm pausing trading for the meantime. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Wow. This video is mind-blowing because I've never seen someone as transparent to this level. I mean, being so transparent in this Forex industry. Forex industry that I know, how mentors are so deceptive, how mentors are liars, how they lie, how they do anything possible to collect the last kobo of a mentee. But this mentor is also different. I greet you, mentor. His name is Ways Up, right? Of course, I've been checking on this guy for like a while now. All his videos are mostly of documentary. And now he's telling us today that from January to December, that is January to this minute, he is not profitable. He has not made profit from Forex markets. Wow, this is heavy. And then let me shock you. Most of your mentors are worse than this greatest mentor. I greet you. But they will never admit that Forex is dealing with them. When I come back from this short break, I have a lot to say. Don't go anywhere. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. In fact, share the video to the rest of the audience to check what we do here on Chemist Frank YouTube channel. See you shortly.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
All right, welcome back. I want to look into this guy's Telegram channel because he has a Telegram channel called Trade with Ops Free Channel. This is where he drops signal. So let me see how his trade has been going. Okay. Now the first thing I'm seeing here is this trade hit stop loss. I forgot to update you people. Wow. So the first contact is stop loss hit. No problem. Next one is SL hit. I sold good. Stop loss hits. Okay. This trade hit my SL and went straight to TP. 3 stop loss in a row. That's good. I bought USD card. SL hits. People dropping crying emoji. Now let me also say this. Some channels, even my own channel, I removed this crying emoji sticker on it. But as transparent as this young guy is, he left crying emoji. If you want to cry, you can cry. Sorry, the laughter came in. I'm not mocking anybody, right? But I'm just talking about these stickers, these reactions you see on every post. Like, you have the right to remove crying options, but he left all these things. Express yourself, express your feeling just as you want. So people are crying, people are dropping tears emojis. That's the level of transparency. He just express yourself the way it is. That is ways up, and that's an award for him. Next one is break even hits. 1:5. I bought good break even hits, SL hits, TP hits, SL hits. Wow, TP2. So most of these trades here actually are on stop loss. This is also another level of transparency. This guy shows you everything the way it is. Okay, now a quick one, guys. You saw how this guy rested. Now he said he's resting for 2 months. If you're also into the same shoe and you feel like resting, please take a break. Taking break in Forex doesn't show weakness. It shows that you care about your health. I've said this severally on this channel that Forex trading comes with high blood pressure. I know when I say something here, most people see it as comedy. They laugh, not knowing that I'm actually helping lives, saving souls here. Before you even trade Forex, sometimes check high blood pressure. Some of you, some persons watching me now, your blood pressure might be reading so high, but you don't know. You think it's just FX, buy, sell. Check high blood pressure. Take break and treat yourself. And Forex is not even for everybody. This is also why I also tell people, it's not for everybody. If you try this too much and it's not still working, try another field of operation. I know some person's case, they don't have a good teacher. That's quite all right. Most people are just so less privileged that they don't see good people that will teach them. They keep on meeting wrong mentors, left, center, right. Even when they see someone they could trust, that thing in them will not let them trust the person. They will still want to go and learn from those big names. And at the end of the day, they will still come back to those who will teach them Forex the right way. You understand? But at the same time, if you must have learned from many persons and it's not still working for you, rest. If Way Up can rest and come to public and tell us that he's taking a break, who are you not to rest when Forex is dealing with you? Okay? Way Up, we are all waiting for your return because I know your return will be greater than this. For you to have this sense of rest, it means this your period of resting. You are preparing something huge for your audience, and your comeback, I tell you solemnly, will be profitable. I also did take rest sometime in the past. I remember when I took a loss on USD JPY. It rose my blood pressure so high that I had to also do something like that. But I did not come publicly to say something like that because it takes a lot of courage to admit that this system has failed. You know, this kind of man trying to always maintain strongness, you understand. But at the same time, take a break, whether you announce it public or you did not. Just rest when the need arises. Finally, as he just dropped this, so many mentors flooded his comment section, claiming to be the best, because this is what happens in this industry a lot. When somebody hits stop loss, you will see advisors, you see people coming to be like savior on the comment section, be like, you shouldn't have entered this trade from this position. You're actually entering from a daily intermediary. You should have waited for it to come to the lower time frame and around this other block or this fair value gap, blah, blah, blah. Stay away from those kind of people. They're even the problem this industry has. Go to his comment section, see people telling him that he cannot trade, telling him to his face that he cannot trade. They are not saying that because they love you. They are saying that because they want to get your attention. So you come and ask them, sir, please, how do you trade? They will just collect your money, and that is all for you. Please take note of people like this. Once anybody comes claiming that he's the best, that he never takes loss in the system, he knows how to destroy the market, he has 100% strategy, those are the people to avoid. But people that are so transparent like this Way Up are people you can actually put your trust on. Although you don't trust any human being at the same time, because that is it. But at the same time, when you bring two things to choose, I think I prefer those who are transparent than those who just want to capture your pockets and then they disappear. That will be all for this video. I really feel for Way Up. It's not easy. It's not easy. And then come back soon so that you face what is facing you. Don't give up. That's what we know men for. So subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.